Hey guys, kind of a crazy video. Free energy. I know there's a lot of scam videos out there, a lot of hopefuls, and the laws of thermodynamics would say otherwise. And I thought, you know what? Given my background, auto technician for so many years, a blacksmith, woodworker, I actually took some electronics courses quite a long time ago. I thought, who better than to make a perpetual motion, free energy machine than me? So this is the very beginning stages, and I'm sure I'll be disappointed, but I thought I'd bring you all along from the very beginning. So what I did is I have this idea all laid out in my head. So what I did is I made this wooden apparatus, I guess you would say. And this is going to be like a magnetic propulsion system with some coils and other magnets that will generate electricity. Laugh all you want. So I just cut this out on the CNC machine because I need a wheel. I drilled the proper size holes. I have plastic inserts in here. Actually, they're nylon. And we'll do some lock nuts to keep this centered. And again, this is like extreme infancy. And of course it's, kind of wobbly because the hole isn't exactly right and so on and so forth, but it doesn't matter. And I've got a boatload of these magnets that are going to be my propulsion system. I'm not going to put this all together yet because I need to put a cam. I actually need to design a cam that's going to go blank. That's going to go on the wheel. I've seen so many videos, and this just kind of intrigues me. And, I have a little bit of spare time, so I don't mind blowing it on things that just aren't going to work. That's my whole life, actually. But my intent is, and I'm not going to use one of the magnets, I'm going to put magnet here every 90 degrees until we have magnets mounted to this wheel. And as I said, I need to make a cam and then figure out, I actually have the design in my head, like I said, but it's going to be a little difficult to put onto this apparatus. A cam that, as the magnet comes around, this is a pretend magnet. As the magnet comes around, the cam will lift this up and then drop it right behind the magnet to push it. And then the next one, the cam will lift it up, and my only concern is that I don't know if I can make a cam so that it lifts it high enough and drops it fast enough to stop the interference of the two magnetic poles. And if I can get that to work, then I'm going to put coils on the outside, magnets in here. I'll probably build another plate, and as this spins, the coils and the magnets will induce a current. A couple of wires coming down to an LED or whatever the case may be. And this is just, like I said, completely in its infancy, and I probably shouldn't be sharing so much of my design thoughts, but I thought, what the heck, there's a lot of good people out there that are trying to do this, so if I actually can get this to work, I may wind up dead. I mean, if I could make it on a small scale like this, obviously it could be on a much larger scale with a lot more magnets and a lot more lobes on the cam, and you could make a lot of power, again, if I can get this to work. My other thought was switches that induce a magnetic flux that breaks it once the cam drops. All right, I'm getting way ahead of this project, but this is the very first video in this project, and we're going to continue with these videos and see how this works out. So, as I said, I just need to design a cam that's going to mount on the outside of this, that's going to raise a bar that's going to hold the opposing magnet and drop it in time. And that's the big thing, is the timing. It's kind of like setting up your timing chain in your high performance engine. You got to have it right or it just doesn't work. So yeah, I know you can ridicule me all you want, but like I said, I have some free time and I'm going to spend it on this. So if you're interested, hang tight. There'll be more videos. Today is Sunday, January 7th, 2024. Guys, have a great day, and we'll talk soon. Take care.